Please.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Hi, everybody. We are here in Dal Lake in Srinagar, Kashmir area. What a beautiful, wonderful place and great people, very friendly. And we booked this great place, the SnowGoose, for the 9 of us.
Thank
And
you.
we had a great time here. Javid is extremely attentive to everything we had asked for.
Thank you.
And the price is great, and what a peaceful, relaxing area it is. Nice people, as I said. There are 9 of us, 3 of us already went shopping, and this is our last day here, and you all have a good time when you come here, and best of luck.
One more question. Welcome. One more. How safe you feel Kashmir for
Oh,
tourism?
it's wonderful. It's very safe.
Very safe.
We never felt threatened. We never felt like we were under danger. Nothing like that. Perfect place.
Do you want other people to come visit Kashmir?
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Javi.
It's one of the
Javid, you are a good man.
Thank you so
one
much.
of the unique places in the world to visit. Definitely come and visit. Don't let fear control your
The mind.
visit to Srinagar and Dal Lake. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.